Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter alcohol, phenol and ethers from class 12 chemistry. This is a very important chapter from the organic chemistry. Let's start with the chapter alcohol, phenol and ethers. Alcohol, phenol and ethers. Alcohol, the general symbol is ROH. R you have already known, that is called alkyl group. So it means alcohol are hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon. ओके अगर आपके पास स्ट्रेट चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन है और आपने उसके ऊपर OH लगा दिया, that is it is methane and this is called methanol. ठीक है, this is called methanol or commonly it is called methyl alcohol, also called carbinol. And phenol are hydroxy derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. Students, I am giving you the very important examples of alcohol and phenol. We are discussing monohydric alcohol. As the name suggests itself, mono means one और hydric means OH. तो जिस एल्कोहल के पास वन OH ग्रुप होगा उसे बोलेंगे मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल. द कार्बन हैविंग OH if attached with the one carbon, that is called 1 degree alcohol. Now the carbon having OH attached with the two carbon, then it is called 2 degree alcohol. Carbon having OH attached with the 3 carbon, that is called 3 degree alcohol. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. जिस कार्बन के पास OH ग्रुप है, अगर वो कार्बन एक कार्बन से अटैच है तो उसे बोलेंगे प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. द कार्बन हैविंग OH attached with the 2 carbon is called 2 degree alcohol. जिस कार्बन पर OH है और वो 3 कार्बन से अटैच है, that is called 3 degree alcohol. And they all are monohydric because they are containing one OH group. So its IUPAC is ethanol and common name is ethyl alcohol. This one 1, 2, 3. So IUPAC is propane 2-ol. Commonly it is called isopropyl alcohol. आइसो बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट सेम को, तो ये यहाँ से दोनों तरफ से सेम CH3 ग्रुप है, इट इज कॉल्ड आइसोप्रोपाइल एल्कोहल. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड 1, 2, 3. सो 2 methyl propane 2-ol. This is IUPAC 2 methyl propane 2-ol. Commonly it is called tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is called, this symbol CH2 double bond CH, this is called vinyl. So it is called vinyl alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, that symbol is called allyl alcohol. Okay, allyl alcohol. Now I am giving you the example of dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. Di means 2 and hydric means OH. जिस सिंबल के पास 2 OH ग्रुप होंगे, that is called dihydric alcohol. I am giving you the example of, this is called ethane 1,2-diol and commonly it is called ethylene glycol. It is used as antifreeze mixture. You have already studied in class 12 chapter 2 solutions में आपने न्यूमेरिकल किया होगा और इसका डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट में पढ़ा होगा. इसका नाम दैट इज इथाइलिन ग्लाइकॉल. ओके. ट्राइहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल. ट्राइहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल. ट्राई मीन्स 3, OH group. I am giving you the example. That is 1, 2, 3. तीनों के ऊपर एक एक OH ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. It is called propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Commonly it is called glycerol. Glycerol. Okay. सपोनिफिकेशन रिएक्शन के अंदर ये बाय प्रोडक्ट बनता है. So these are the important formulae related to alcohol. This is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. It is also called carbinol. Students, मिथाइल अल्कोहल का दूसरा नाम है कार्बिनॉल. तो कार्बिनॉल सिस्टम भी होता है नॉमेनक्लेचर का. ऐसे हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते थे. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल, क्योंकि ये तो कार्बिनॉल है ही, इसके साथ एक मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. तो मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. ठीक है. अगर मैं एक और हाइड्रोजन यहां से रिप्लेस करके CH3 लगा दूं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड डाई मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. Students, these are the very important formulae which you have to memorize. Please note it down. Now let's continue with the important formulae of phenol. I am making here monohydric phenol. Phenol बोलते हैं बच्चों C6H5OH. अगर बेंजीन का आपने एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस करके OH लगा दिया, देन इट इज कॉल्ड फिनोल C6H5OH. If this phenol having CH3 group at the second position, then it is called 2-methyl phenol. This is your very important NCERT question number 7. Commonly it is called orthocresol. अगर मैं इस CH3 की पोजीशन को शिफ्ट कर दूं, थर्ड पोजीशन के ऊपर CH3 ले आए, तो इसको बोलेंगे 3-methyl phenol मेटाक्रेसोल. पोजीशन शिफ्ट कर दी. 4-methyl phenol commonly called paracresol. Paracresol. Now I am writing dihydric phenol. Now I am writing the dihydric phenol means उसके ऊपर 2 OH ग्रुप लगा रही हूं. अगर एडजेसेंट पोजीशन के ऊपर 1 और 2, तो इसका आयुपैन नेम क्या होगा? बेंजीन 1,2-diol. Commonly it is called catechol. It is called catechol. OH की पोजीशन शिफ्ट कर दी, then it is called benzene 1,3-diol. 1,3-diol. Commonly it is called resorcinol. Resorcinol. अब आपने OH को पैरा पे कर दिया, 1,4 पोजीशन कर दिया, तो आयुपैक इज बेंजीन 1,4-diol. Benzene 1,4-diol. Commonly it is called quinol. Quinol. Okay. Now I am giving you the example of trihydric phenol. Means 3 OH ग्रुप होने चाहिए. Tri means 3. ठीक है. IUPAC, benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Commonly it is called pyrogalol. Pyrogalol. पोजीशन शिफ्ट कर दी OH की. It is commonly called fluoroglucinol. Students, you have to memorize these formulas, both the common name as well as IUPAC. Please note it down.